LearningBOX, AI-powered online proctoring. This video will show you how to set up the proctoring feature for your online courses within LearningBOX. This ensures a fair and secure assessment environment for every learner. First, let's register a profile picture. You can upload students' profile pictures or allow your students to register them on their own. We'll head over to the account sign-up settings to activate the profile picture function. This allows the AI to authenticate students before they begin an exam. While I can upload student photos myself, I'm going to select self-registration for this course to let the students handle it. Next, let's apply the proctoring rules to the content. Navigate to the Manage Contents page and select a proctoring. One great feature here is that you can customize these settings and save them as a template. This makes it incredibly easy to reuse the same settings for other lectures or exams. Let's apply these settings to the content. Go up to the top of the page and click Apply to Content. I want to apply the settings to the practice quiz, so tick the box and save the settings. The proctoring is now active for the quiz. Let's see how it works on the student's side. Under this rule, students will be asked to submit a photo of their face via taking a photo or uploading it from their computer. They'll also walk through a few confirmation steps to consent to photo capturing while they are working on the content. Now, let's start the course. I've enabled proctoring for the quiz. Note that the system stays quiet from the overview to the lecture sections. But before entering the practice quiz, students will be asked to provide a photo for identity verification. Some instructions will appear before moving on to the content. This learner passed the quiz. You can set a badge and confetti to praise your student like this. The completion status has automatically been updated. Finally, let's jump back to the admin page to review the logs. Here, you can check the session. If any suspicious behavior is detected, the system automatically captures a photo and flags the suspicion level. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.